1,000 subscribers? No! Hello everyone, I'm Lash and welcome to my channel Tech Lash. Today I'm gonna tell some important tips so you can grow a YouTube gaming channel in 2020. So let's go. Number 1, if you are going a live stream, then stream every day 3 to 5 hours. This will help your viewers so that you can easily join you. Okay? Second, play a single game so people will know you because of that game. If you're playing a different game, they will confuse like what game do you are playing on. So every time play a single game. Number 3, don't play a big game like Fortnite, PUBG, Dota. If you're playing a big game, big YouTubers are also playing that game, so they will not watch you. I'm giving you some example. If you're playing Fortnite, so Ninja and TSM Myth is also playing Fortnite. So when you are new on YouTube, no one will watch you on YouTube. Okay, so start with a small game, so it will help you a lot. Number 4, every time when you stream, change your thumbnail and title, because some people, I saw that they are not changing their thumbnail and titles, so that's why people are not watching their video. They thought they are repeating, they are not working on their content. Content is the most important on YouTube. Number 5, try to play with your viewers. I mean viewers love to watch because they are waiting to play. So if you are playing with them, they will definitely are constantly viewers of your videos. Okay guys, that's a very small video, but it will help you a lot. So if you want to play and enjoy, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to play video games,